In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make personal Microsoft bookings page. We'll set up a simple professional booking experience so people can grab time with you without the back and forth. First, open Microsoft Bookings by going to book.ms in your browser, or open the Bookings app from your Microsoft 365 apps. Sign in with your work or school account if prompted. You'll land on the home page where you manage your personal booking types and availability, all connected to your Outlook calendar. From here, click Create Meeting Type. A meeting type is the template for a specific kind of appointment. Think intro call or office hours. Next, you'll see areas for public and private meeting types. Click the plus sign in the section you want. Public meeting types will appear on your main booking page so anyone with your page link can see and book them. Private types stay hidden and can only be scheduled by people who have that specific link, which is great for by invitation meetings. Now configure your details, give the meeting a clear title, choose a category if you use them, and add a short, helpful description that sets expectations, what the time is for, what the guest should prepare, and any context they'll need. Set the duration to match the conversation you want. For location, choose a physical address if you're meeting in person, or select Microsoft Teams meeting for a virtual call, so the join link is added automatically to the calendar invite. Next, set your availability, customize the days and hours when this meeting type can be booked. Bookings checks your Outlook calendar for conflicts, so existing events, holds, or out of office time won't be double booked. This is a good moment to think about your energy and workload. Choose windows when you're comfortable meeting and keep focus blocks on your calendar so Bookings keeps them protected. Open the advanced options to refine the experience. Add buffer time before or after meetings to prevent back-to-backs, and give yourself a breather to prepare or take notes. Set a minimum notice period to prevent last-minute surprises, and configure email reminders so guests receive clear instructions and are less likely to miss the appointment. You can customize reminder timing and content to keep it friendly and useful. When everything looks right, save your changes, then click Share to copy your booking page link. You can paste that link into emails, post it on social profiles, or add it to your email signature, so it's always handy. That's it. Your personal Microsoft Bookings page is live, professional, and ready to streamline scheduling.